Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm here talking about the bass I just caught today. Well, yesterday, basically. Here, I caught it on this bass. Ready to fish bass rod with a spinning reel. I really love these. These really go together. It looks really cool. I got 15 pound test, fluorocarbon, and here's what I caught it on. Okay, here we go. Here is the Magic Maker. I have a little half ounce to ounce, I don't know, bullet weight, and it's pegged. You can see that thing sticking out of there. Yeah. And what this is, it's a Yum Mighty Bug. This is from their creature baits. It's a Mighty Bug. Blue, black grape with these two little neon things on the back. When I was a few weeks ago, we went to this pond, and I was just like, the pond here, oh my gosh, the bluegill, they would come up since it's nesting time for them too. When you throw it out onto their nests, the perch and the little bluegill, they'll pick it up and move it somewhere else. And while doing that, you gotta hook them. So what I did was I cut these things off, throw them out there, or anything basically. If you even tie a rock or like a little piece of dirt that's kind of hard, hook it on, throw it out there, they'll pick it up and move it. And I love the bluegill here. But I got two solid 5.16, one 5.16 bass, and a, believe it or not, a 3.5 trout. Would go after this big thing. This is like, the thing's bullet weight's like half an inch. This thing's like roughly 3.5, 4 inches. Altogether, like 4.5, 4 inches. Rainbow trout would do that. Because right now it's pre-spawn and everyone's still going for trout, and yeah. So this is what I got it on. So bye. See you guys on the flip side.